Having an affiliates program can be one of the best things to do when selling products or services online. However, having to manage thousands of affiliate links can be a tedious process. That's why in this video we show you how to do advanced searches and bulk edit affiliate links using an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress. The affiliate links we'll edit are from the Thisty Affiliates plugin, but you can edit affiliate links from other plugins. The WP Sheet Editor plugin allows you to view and manage posts, pages, and any other custom post type added by WordPress plugins. And you manage them using a spreadsheet that allows you to do advanced searches and bulk edits with a few clicks. You can also export content to a CSV file and import changes to existing content as well as new content. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video and the link to our written guide. The WP Sheet Editor plugin contains a search tool that allows you to do searches using any field as a search parameter. Let's say you want to search for affiliate links by link category. Just open the search tool and enter the desired category. In this example, we will filter all the affiliate links that belong to the category called products. After you run the search, you can see the affiliate links that meet the search criteria displayed on the spreadsheet. If you want to find all the affiliate links with global redirect type, you can do it easily with WP Sheet Editor. Just open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Select the redirect type field. Now choose the equal operator. And enter global as the value. Finally, run the search, and you'll see all the affiliate links with the global redirect type displayed in the spreadsheet. Sometimes, links open in a new window, and WP Sheet Editor allows you to use that field as a search parameter. Just open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Select the new window field. Now select the equal operator and tick this checkbox. Finally, run the search, and you'll see all the affiliate links that open in a new window displayed on the spreadsheet. Besides running advanced searches, you can bulk edit your affiliate links with WP Sheet Editor. You can manually select the affiliate links to edit, or you can edit the search results from any of the previous searches. For example, let's learn how to replace the destination URL for hundreds of affiliate links. In this example, we'll edit all the rows from the current search. Now select the destination URL field. And select the replace type of edit. Enter the old destination URL here. And the new destination URL here. Finally, execute to apply the changes. If the old URL is not present among some filtered affiliate links, those items will be ignored. If you want to bulk enable or disable the Open a New Window option for all the selected affiliate links, you can do it with the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Let's manually select the items to edit. Now just open the bulk edit tool. Select the new window field. Now choose set value. And tick the checkbox to enable the open in new window setting or leave it unmarked to disable it. Finally, you need to hit execute and all the changes will be applied. The redirect type is another important field that you can bulk edit for all the filtered items. Open the bulk edit tool. In this case, we'll edit all rows. Now select the redirect type field. Choose set value here. And in this example, we'll select the 302 temporary redirect type. Once you select these values, hit execute and all the changes will be applied. Definitely, WP Sheet Editor brings all the benefits of spreadsheets to WordPress to help you effectively manage your thirsty affiliate links. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.